Metaforte is an all-new cognitive research system. When we survey consumers, the traditional way to find out what they need, learn more about their purchasing processes, or better understand their opinions about brands or situations, we ask them questions to which they frame conscious replies in words. But what about the subconscious, that lesser-known part of the mind where opinions and thoughts are formed? The literature says that conscious thought is structured and shaped by subconscious thought, which is why Metaforte was developed. Our method is inspired by metaphor analysis, an interview technique where respondents are asked to create a collage of images to express how they feel about a brand or situation. Respondents are then asked to explain why they chose their selected images and to make a link between them. Experience shows that people use 7 main metaphors to explain their opinions. We've used these metaphors to build Metaforte, which, unlike individual interviews, is a tool for conducting big surveys of large populations. People react to the images they are shown online, and even their response time is taken into account in the final compilation. We thus produce quantitative data on selected metaphors and their relative importance. We analyze respondents' comments so as to map the concepts expressed. We can even divide the group into subgroups to compare the differences between men and women, for example, or various population subgroups we have observed. Finally, a statistical tool that delivers both qualitative and quantitative data. What are its applications? In branding, it can be used to better understand the images evoked by consumers in reaction to a brand. In comparative branding, it can be used to differentiate between brands. In sociology, it can be used to describe a population. In human resources, it can be used to truly take a company's pulse. It can even be used in design, where the images evoked by respondents led to the realization that this station truly stood for vintage in consumers' minds, which led to a new campaign and significantly better results. Explore what your customers aren't telling you. Visit Metaforte.ca to learn more about LXB Communication Marketing's Metaforte Cognitive Research System.